The void ratio and the specific gravity of a sample of clay are 0.73 and point and 2.7. Okay, means void ratio is 0.73 and specific gravity of the sample of clay is 0.27. Okay, 0.37 and 0.27. Okay, if the voids are 92% saturated. Okay, saturated means it is the degree of saturation. Degree of saturation is given as 92%. Okay, what we have to find out? Find the bulk density. Okay, gamma T we have to find out. Dry density is gamma D. Okay, if there is no water content, the soil becomes dry. Okay, and water content, and what should be water content for S equals to 100. हमें find out करना है if when S is equal to 100% हो जाएगा. Okay, उसके water content की value क्या रहेगी. Okay, first we will write E equals to given. Write down. सबके पास पेन पेपर और कैलसी रहना चाहिए. ओके, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस 5 मार्क्स नहीं तो 10 मार्क्स के लिए पूछा जा सकता है. ओके, वेयर E equals to 0.73. okay, and G equals to specific gravity equals to 2.7. okay, we have to find out, and S is given as degree of saturation को हमें फ्रैक्शन में लिखना है. 0.92. okay, we have to find out the bulk density. First we have to find out the bulk density. Okay, what is the formula of bulk density? Okay, gamma T equals to G plus ES. ऑलरेडी सबको फॉर्मूला हमने लिखवाया है. देखो क्या फॉर्मूला है. G plus ES 1 plus E. okay, multiply by density of water. So G is given as 2.7. जिसको आता है सॉल्व करो, सिर्फ सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. ऑलरेडी ऑल वैल्यूज आर गिवन. E is 0.73 and degree of saturation is 0.92. जिसने सॉल्व किया है कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो आंसर क्या है. 1 plus E is equal to 0.73. multiply by density of water. What is the density of water? 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. ओके, आंसर बताओ. सभी आंसर बताओ कमेंट सेक्शन. Okay, right. 19.11. Answer is right. 19.11.
19.1.
Okay. Kilonewton per meter cube. Next, what is next? Find out dry density. Okay. The formula for dry density is gamma d equals to g rho w 1 plus e. Okay, solve करो फास्ट. What is gamma d? ऐसे लिखो, बी लिख के लिखो. सेकेंड का आंसर क्या है वैसे लिखो. बी का क्या आंसर है? ओके, गामा डी. ऑलरेडी जी इज गिवन 2.7 multiply by 9.81 divided by 1 plus e. 1 plus e is the void ratio 0.73. Answer. What is the answer of gamma d? Dry density. Find out करो fast. कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो जो भी आंसर है. ओके, राइट. 15.31. kilonewton per meter cube. Okay, next we have to find out water content. Okay, water content find out करने के लिए there is a formula. सीवेज का फॉर्मूला देखा था ना, SE equals to WG. ओके, याद करने के लिए सीवेज बोलते हैं, इसका फॉर्मूला का नाम नहीं है. टू रिमेम्बर वी आर यूजिंग सीवेज. SE equals to WG. Okay. Okay, we know S and what is E, and G also we have known value. Okay, now find out W. Okay, W equals to degree of saturation multiplied by void ratio divided by specific gravity. Okay, answer बताओ अभी. As is 0.92 multiply by E. E is the void ratio. It is 0.73 divided by G. Okay, G is specific gravity, which is 2.7. आंसर बताओ क्या है, कमेंट सेक्शन. Right, 0.24. Okay, 2.48 लिख सकते हो. Next question is, what would be the water content? हाँ, what is your doubt? Comment section में लिखो.
सर यूनिट नहीं है इसका.
हाँ,
यूनिट
is unitless. It is the weight of water divided by weight of solid. Okay, it is in percentage. Okay, 24.8%. This value comes in percentage. It will be multiplied by 100. Okay, if we are solving the sum, we have to write in fraction. Okay, but you can write as 2.4.8%. Okay, this much water content is available. Okay, next we have to find out what would be water content for S equals to 100%. अगर S 100% है तो मीन्स फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे तो S will be 1. Okay, now we have to use the same formula. Okay, W equals to S into E divided by G. Okay, but S value changes. इधर जो 0.92 है उसको 1 कंसीडर करना है अभी. जब S रहेगा 1 तो वैल्यू W की कितनी रहेगी वो फाइंड आउट करना है. 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.73 डिवाइड बाय 2.7. Okay, write your answer in comment section.